Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be presenting the strategy for your CA Final Group 2, the group which is considered as very hefty. The subjects are very voluminous. Aggregate नहीं बनता हमारा इस subject में. So these kind of practical problems we face in this particular group. Though I have made अलग-अलग videos for all the subjects of your CA Final Group 2, but there are certain things which I wanted to convey which are in common. I mean group 2 के लिए. So let's get started, right? Again, it will be for old syllabus for ISCA and AMA, and DDIDD it will be common for both old and new. AMA के लिए some common things which I think I forgot to mention or which I would like to give emphasis on. I wanted to say something new is that again, stick to the practice manual. Don't skip your book, especially when you have like 1.5 months left for your exam. Don't jump on to the books ki bhai are the questions enough from the practice manual, or we should be doing some of the book, because there's a lot of conceptual clarity in that book and all. Don't do all those things. Just stick onto the practice manual. That book is sufficient, right? And even don't pick up something new. In the last 1 to 1.5 months, do not pick up something new. कि भाई स्टैंडर्ड कॉस्टिंग उठा लेता हूँ, थोड़ा बहुत देख लेता हूँ, या फिर ये चीज़ देख लेता हूँ. Whatever you have done is more than sufficient, and that too I have given the ABC analysis of costing. Just focus on that thing only, right? Many people were asking me about Atul Agarwal, the one who is AIR one, unke question. So what I've done is I have given his question in the description box. You can have a look. It is not my question, it is his question, and I think for chapter number 2 his questions were very, again I'm saying this for chapter number 2 only, his questions were very, it was very productive, huh? Costing me, please give the full test, though I give a lot of emphasis for the chapter wise test, but specifically for FR and costing, FR old syllabus. For FR and costing I give a lot of emphasis on the full test papers, because costing का तो specially paper पूरा नहीं हो पाता है, and there are a lot of, I mean 60-70% पेपर पूरा होता है, and somewhere or the other बहुत ही ज़्यादा अफसोस होता है when you know something and still you are not able to attend it because you are short of time. So for that, time management is required, which will come after due practice. So again, at least 25 to 30 days before your exam, you need to attend one full-fledged paper, full-fledged test of AMA. Starting में खिचड़ी पकेगी. Starting में there's going to be a lot of problem. Starting में जो है mistakes बहुत होंगी. You would not be able to cover the due course in a particular time frame, but that is absolutely fine. I mean that will help you in discovering your mistakes. And this is again, I mean mistakes पता लग गई, you have like a sufficient time to work upon that, and then that will be very helpful for you at the end. One more thing, so the people जिनका attempt थोड़ा आगे है, या फिर who will be giving their very first attempt, though it may sound a little absurd to you guys, but the people who have given multiple attempts, they would definitely agree with me on this point, that what mindset we have is, first of all हम टीचर के नोट्स पढ़ेंगे, then after that हम उनके एग्जाम्पल्स करेंगे, and फिर हम लोग क्वेश्चन में if we're not able to understand something properly, again we'll go back to those notes and फिर examples solve करेंगे, and then because we just want to get prepared for those final questions. Do not follow that approach. Just give a brief overview over the notes and jump onto the questions, because this particular strategy may work for your inter or IPCC but not for final, because final syllabus is huge, and if you are going to follow this approach, it will take a lot of time, and I'm sorry to say, but it may cause multiple attempts to you, because I have faced this. I was doing it like this only. That is why I'm suggesting you. Okay? इसका के लिए, like the way I have said, I mean I have again posted the video for that. Chapter number 1 and 6 should be on priority. In my description links, in my description box, I have given again a link. उसके लिए आपका chapter number 1 के लिए the way I have prepared the notes, it was very helpful. I mean like because chapter number 1 के again the questions are full of twists and turns, and somewhere or the other we tend to answer wrongly. We are not able to understand what the question is asking, because again we do not have the conceptual clarity over that subject. तो ये प्रॉब्लम आती है. तो द वे आई हैव डन चैप्टर नंबर 1, मैंने नोट्स लिख दिए, डाल दिए हैं अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, 4-5 पेजेस के हैं. इट वाज वेरी वेरी हेल्पफुल. आई एम नॉट आस्किंग यू टू रेफर दैट. आई मीन आई एम नॉट आस्किंग यू टू जस्ट टेक इट एज अ बाइबल दैट कि वो क्वेश्चंस को, जो वो नोट्स को आप एक बाइबल बना के चलो, बट दैट इज जस्ट फॉर योर रेफरेंस पर्पज. कूल. इसका मैं एक और चीज़ गाइस, प्लीज़ इसका पीरियडिकली पढ़ो. डोंट डू इट लाइक दिस कि इसका 5 दिन 10 घंटे लगा के पढ़ लिया एंड देन यू आर गिविंग गैप ऑफ 10-15 days. It is going to be a lot of problem for ISKA, especially because ISKA we tend to forget a lot of things about ISKA. Reason being, we do not have the conceptual clarity, and if in case we forget something at exam time, हम बना के we cannot make things on our own again because we do not have the conceptual clarity. Cramming is involved. So again, I would say that please do it periodically. Cool. Many people were asking about Nikunj Shah sir के questions. Hopefully वो questions डाल दें. If in case he uploads the question, I think he'll be doing it before 10 to 12 days before the exam, because somebody was telling me that he might not upload the questions. अगर वो उन्होंने नहीं करे, then of course even I am sorry, I can't do anything about that. If in case he does that, in this particular video only and in my ISKA video as well, I'll make sure that I'll be giving the link in the description box. Not now of course, but अगर एग्जाम से 10-12 दिन पहले I will be give you the link. He has this Facebook page where he uploads the some important question, right? Many people are referring some of the, I mean Amit Tatar sir ke notes. I personally used it for reference purpose. I mean that was not my first point of reading. I mean first point of reading was the content which was based on the study material. That notes were for reference purpose. So sometimes we're not able to understand a point, we're not able to learn a point, and there are sometimes we're not able to learn some questions. Then again, you can refer those notes from learning's perspective, right? And yes, writing practice जरूर करना है इसका में. Whatever you're learning on a single day, अगर आप 10 क्वेश्चंस ये लर्निंग 10 क्वेश्चन, देन हैव टू मेक श्योर कि आप कम से कम 2 से 3 क्वेश्चंस लिख के नीड टू सॉल्व इट, बिकॉज यू विल कम टू नो अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग. बिकॉज आई स्टिल रिमेंबर व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू थिंक दैट हाँ मुझे पूरा क्वेश्चन आता है, व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू राइट इट लाइक इफ इट हैज लाइक 7 पॉइंट्स, मैं 6 ही लिख पाता था. और सॉरी 6 भी नहीं मैं बोलूँगा, मैं वो 4 या 5 ही हेडिंग शायद आती थी, 2 भूल जाता था, और बाकी के सिर्फ मैं आई कुड एबल टू राइट ओनली 3 पॉइंट्स, और उनकी हेडिंग इंटरनल कंटेंट भी मुझे इतने अच्छे से नहीं याद रहता था. एंड आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दोज क्वेश्चंस वेयर आई यूज्ड टू फील लॉट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस ऑन. सो व्हेन यू विल स्टार्ट राइटिंग इट, आई मीन you will have the mirror in front of you, that where you land, and accordingly you can prepare. Don't get disheartened initially when you will not be able to write it. Just keep on practicing it. Disheartenment mat karna, because it's very very natural. When you write it, बहुत सारी चीजें you will not be able to remember. It's absolutely fine. The thing which is not fine is stop practicing. So don't do that. Writing practice जरूर करना. And one more thing I discovered, my handwriting is poor and it was not even readable. मुझे लगता था कि the things are getting very hodgepodge. So what I discovered was that एक line में छोड़ के लिखता था. Even if I am writing a particular a matter under a particular heading, then also I used to leave one line, because again I know my handwriting is not that good, but again I just made sure that it should be readable, right? Then I would be talking about DT and IDT, though again I have made a separate video on DT and IDT, and I have given a lot of emphasis on DT में on the questions. First of all, do the question and then go for the provision. And the book I referred to, Bandar Rana sir ki book. A small disclaimer, again I have all respect for Bandar Rana sir and his book. Again, that book had a lot of contribution in making me pass the examination, but charitable trust ke liye I would say that you should be covering the question from elsewhere as well, because I didn't found the question sufficient. उस video में I forgot to tell that, so I thought of covering it over here. टेलीग्राम चैनल पे चले जाना, किससे भी एडिशनल क्वेश्चंस मांग लेना. somebody or other will be there to help you out. Cool. Then I would say DT में प्लीज़ राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस करना, बिकॉज पेपर लिख कर आना है. You're not supposed to give an oral questions over there that okay answer पढ़ ले समझ में आ गया, it's done. Never do that. This is one such mistake each and every one of us commit, where you do not practice the answers in written. Ultimately हमें जाके लिख कर आना है, be it DT, be it IDT. In both the subjects, writing practice is a must. I would say for every subject, writing practice is a must. And talking about MCQs, I would say two things about MCQs. First of all, be confined to ICAI study MCQs. Don't rush for those authors MCQs. There are a lot of MCQs authors के, and I don't think वो इतने valuable होते हैं, because इतने सारे you will not be able to even do it. So institute के MCQ पे focus करना, and secondly please cover all the MCQs. DT के ज़्यादा हैं थोड़े, but please cover it, because I could see a lot of questions either same, I will not say same, similar or based on the MCQ which institute has issued. So in MCQs आपके normal हो अलग से institute निकालता है, and read the MCQs which are covered in NTP and RTP. You have to cover every MCQ of DT as well as for your IDT. And for your 1.5 day strategy, which I would try my level hard to put a separate video for that. But for the time being, I would say Varman Varna sir ke YouTube videos, and Vrindavan, I told in that video as well, Vrindavan Giri sir ke YouTube videos for those 1.5 days are going to help you a lot. But don't think कि हम वो video 1.5 days में देखेंगे. No, you need to watch that video at least 1 month prior to your exam, then in the middle sometime, and then at the end, because then only you will be able to understand a lot of things at that point of time, right? And yeah, one thing which I forgot to mention is that many people are tensed about those case study based questions. इसका में लोग बहुत tense हो रहे हैं, because इसका में कहीं ना कहीं everyone knows we do not have conceptual clarities, purely based on rectification and cramming. But आपने first question देखा होगा subjective का, उसमें भी it is called as a case study based question, but कितनी को case study पूछते हैं, कितनी conceptual clarity the people test in question number 1, each and every one of us knows. It is purely based on cramming, so it is highly recommended कि जैसे आप कर रहे वैसे ही करो. I am very sure that though it is termed as a case study based question, but I am very sure that they are going to ask the question based on, I mean, if you'll cram it well, I think you would be able to solve the MCQ. And again, you need to do all the MCQs of ISCA for ICAI, right? So for your I would say description box में I've given the Atul Agarwal Year 1 के questions, as well as my notes for chapter number 1. That is going to be, I found it very helpful, so I'm giving it to you guys. So this was it from my side, and thank you so much for watching my video. अच्छी लगी हो, if you think it's worth liking, then please give it a thumbs up and comment. कुछ भी हो, अच्छी लगी हो, बुरी लगी हो, खराब जैसी भी लगी हो, please give it, please mention the same in the comment box, and share, because a lot of people get a lot of confusions in group 2, so I think it can be fruitful for them. So please share it along with your CA final friends, and subscribe if you think I'm worth listening to, सुनने लायक हूँ, तो please subscribe to my channel, right? So this is it from my side, and घबराना मत, don't be tensed. It's absolutely fine to get nervous for your CA final exams, but that's cool. If you're getting nervous, that's a good sign, right? So this is it from my side, and all the best of luck for your exams. Do well.